Hello friends, today we will talk about the CAXA 1.4 TSI 122 HP engine. This engine was installed on different cars: Audi, Seat, Skoda, Volkswagen. Important advantages of the engine of this version are design features: turbocharging without reducing engine life, cast iron unit, a guarantee of maintainability and high service life, direct injection with phase shifter. The timing chain is designed for the entire service life of the engine without replacement. And now let's talk about the disadvantages. Timing chain stretch, timing system failure, cooking of oil intake and valves.
Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, comments on the video.